Well, as you can see, there is no Cobra in my garage. Despite the thumbnail, it is not for sale because it is already sold. A guy about an hour's north of here drove down and bought it on the spot. It spent me 3 years, a little over 3 years, to build it and to video it and to edit it. And to all of you who have watched, I really appreciate that. Thank you for all the positive comments. It was as much fun building the Cobra as it was videoing and editing. I originally made those videos to take some mystery out of a Factory 5 build. That Cobra was my second Factory 5 build. The first one was 33 Hot Rod for my dad. That second one was the Cobra, and that was for me. But in building it, I knew that I wasn't going to keep it long term. I was eventually going to sell it and build something else. And I only enjoyed it for 2 months and sold it. But we have a new project coming. I have ordered a Type 65 coupe. That will be here later today. I have been working on putting this LS1 in my Trans Am, my beloved Trans Am that as Trans Am I bought in about late 2000, sold it in 2014, bought it back from the guy 9 years later, and once again I'm looking for drivability and reliability. Expect videos on this Trans Am LS swap. But in the Type 65 coupe, I've already ordered the motor. It is here. Here it is. It is an LS2. That is a 6-liter, 400 horsepower. It is a used motor out of a 06, wrecked 06 Corvette. That's what's going to go in there. It's going to be paired with yet another TKX manual 5-speed transmission. I will be documenting the build on the Type 65, probably not to the extent that I did on the Cobra, but nevertheless, lots of documentation. I hope everyone will follow along who followed along on the Cobra. And now, through the power of editing, there it is, just like that. I gotta say, it is much larger than the Roadster. There is no doubt about that. It is definitely longer and probably wider hips. The doors have been thrown in here. Yeah. The glass is already back here. And it's real glass. I kind of thought it'd be plexiglass. Parting lines. These are like razor blades. They are sharp as all get out. I'd be smart to take those down right away. This front nose is just taped on here. I guess that could come off first. Once again, if you followed along on the Cobra build, thank you very much. I'll do a bunch of videos on this as well. Maybe not so involved. Not every nut, bolt, and rivet, but I'll certainly document the process. I do need to put this on hold because I do not want to neglect my LS swap on my 81 Trans Am here. There is light at the end of the tunnel on that, and I need to see that through, even though we're getting into winter here. I definitely want to see this through and get it to a spot where I'm happy with it. There'll be videos on that as well. But once again, thanks for watching.